All right, let's do a little bit of project setup. The only thing we have to create for this is an HTML file and a JavaScript file. I do want to make sure that this project looks at least somewhat good as well, so we're also going to include a CSS framework to help us with a little bit of styling. So to get started, I'm going to open up my terminal. I'm inside of a workspace directory of sorts. Inside of here, I'm going to make a new folder called message. I'll change into there, and then I'm going to start up my code editor inside this directory. Notice that to start up my code editor, I'm running the code command because I'm using Visual Studio Code. If you have not wired up your editor to start from the terminal, you're not going to be able to run this command successfully. At the end of the day, all you need to do is open up your code editor inside that directory we just created. That's pretty much it. Then inside of here, I'm going to create an index.html file and an index.js file. I'll then go to the HTML file, and we're going to add in just a little bit of markup inside of here. So as usual, I'll throw in a doc type. I'll put in an HTML element. I'll put in a head, a body. Inside the body, I'll add a script tag with a src of index.js. And then inside of the head tag, I'm going to add in a link element so that we can add in a reference to a style sheet. So I'll put in a rel of style sheet. I'm going to close the link element off. We're going to go get a link to a style sheet that we're going to use. So this is the CSS framework that we're going to pull in this project to get a little bit of styling for free without a lot of effort on our side. So to get the link that we need, I'm going to go back over to my browser. And inside of a new browser tab, I'll navigate to cdnjs.com. Once here, I'm going to do a search for Materialize CSS. And then we should be able to scroll down a little bit here. The exact name is Materialize. It might actually be easier to find if we just search for Materialize by itself. Actually, yeah, it looks like it is. So I see Materialize right here. And right next to it, I've got a link to materializemin.css. That is the link that we're looking for. If you don't see the min.css link right here, you can always click on the library itself, and then you should see it in this list. So I'm going to copy the min.css link. I'll then go back over to my browser, find the link element that we just added. I'll add in an href property to it, a set of double quotes, and then I'll paste the link that I just copied inside of here. All right, so that's it. I'm going to save this file, and then we'll take a quick pause. We'll come back to the next video. I'm going to open up the HTML file inside of my browser in the meantime, and we'll start to write out some code to actually implement our project. So quick pause, and I'll see you in just a minute.